What is the main function of the circulatory system? To help us digest food. To pump blood carrying oxygen and nutrients around the body. To help us breathe. The correct answer is, to pump blood carrying oxygen and nutrients around the body. Let's learn something new. The circulatory system works non-stop every second of your life, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell and removing waste products like carbon dioxide. What is the main organ of the circulatory system? The liver. The lungs. The heart. The correct answer is the heart. Surprising trivia: the heart is a powerful muscular organ about the size of your fist. It beats roughly 70 times per minute at rest and over 100,000 times every day. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is 4. A quick fact for you: the heart has 4 chambers, the right atrium and right ventricle on one side and the left atrium and left ventricle on the other. What are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart called? Veins. Capillaries. Arteries. The correct answer is arteries. Here's something cool: arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the body. They have thick elastic walls to withstand the high pressure created by each heartbeat. What are blood vessels that carry blood back to the heart called? Arteries. Capillaries. Veins. The correct answer is veins. A quick fact for you: veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. They have valves inside them to prevent blood from flowing in the wrong direction. What are the tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen directly to body cells called? Valves. Ventricles. Capillaries. The correct answer is capillaries. Here's an interesting fact: capillaries are so narrow that red blood cells must pass through in single file. Oxygen and nutrients pass through their thin walls into surrounding cells. Which blood cells carry oxygen around the body? White blood cells. Platelets. Red blood cells. The correct answer is red blood cells. Knowledge boost: red blood cells are shaped like biconcave discs. They contain a protein called hemoglobin which binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it to cells throughout the body. Which blood cells help fight infection and disease? Red blood cells. Platelets. White blood cells. The correct answer is white blood cells. Fun fact: white blood cells are part of the immune system. They detect and destroy harmful bacteria and viruses. You have fewer white blood cells than red ones, but they are vital for health. What are platelets responsible for? Carrying oxygen. Producing energy. Helping blood to clot at the site of a wound. The correct answer is helping blood to clot at the site of a wound. Let's learn something new. When you cut yourself, platelets gather at the wound and form a sticky clot that stops blood escaping and prevents bacteria from entering. What is the liquid part of blood called? Serum, hemoglobin, plasma. The correct answer is plasma. Impress your friends with this fact: plasma is a pale yellow liquid making up about 55% of blood. It carries red and white blood cells, platelets, hormones, and dissolved nutrients throughout the body. Which side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs? Both sides together. The left side. The right side. The correct answer is the right side. Here's something cool: the right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, blood picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Which side of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body? The right side. Both sides equally. The left side. The correct answer is the left side. Here's an interesting fact: the left ventricle is the largest and strongest chamber because it must pump blood all the way around the body. Its walls are much thicker than those of the right ventricle. What is the name of the large artery that carries blood from the left ventricle to the body? The pulmonary vein, the vena cava, the aorta. The correct answer is the aorta. Here's something cool: the aorta is the largest artery in the body. It arches from the top of the heart and branches into smaller arteries that deliver blood to every organ and tissue. What gas do red blood cells collect when passing through the lungs? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. The correct answer is oxygen. A quick fact for you: in the lungs, red blood cells drop off carbon dioxide and pick up fresh oxygen. This oxygenated blood travels back to the left side of the heart before being pumped around the body. What is the protein inside red blood cells that carries oxygen called? Plasma, hemoglobin, platelets. The correct answer is hemoglobin. Fun fact: hemoglobin contains iron, which gives blood its red color. It bonds with oxygen in the lungs to form oxyhemoglobin and releases it to cells that need it. What happens to heart rate during exercise? It drops significantly. It stays exactly the same. It increases. The correct answer is, it increases. A quick fact for you: during exercise, muscles need more oxygen. The heart beats faster to pump more blood more quickly. A child's heart rate can reach over 180 beats per minute during intense exercise. What is the term for the number of times the heart beats per minute? Blood pressure, pulse rate, breathing rate. The correct answer is pulse rate. Here's a nugget of wisdom: you can measure your pulse rate by placing 2 fingers on your wrist or neck where an artery is close to the skin. Counting beats for 30 seconds and doubling gives your rate per minute. What does the pulmonary artery carry? Oxygenated blood to the body. Oxygenated blood to the heart. deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? The correct answer is deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Let's learn something new. The pulmonary artery is unusual because it carries deoxygenated blood. Most arteries carry oxygenated blood, but this one goes to the lungs specifically to pick up oxygen. What is blood pressure? The temperature of blood. The weight of blood in veins. The force of blood pushing against the walls of arteries. The correct answer is the force of blood pushing against the walls of arteries. Let's learn something new. Blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury. High blood pressure over time can damage arteries and increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. How does a healthy diet help the circulatory system? It makes the heart beat faster. It helps maintain healthy blood vessels and a healthy heart. It has no effect on the heart. The correct answer is, it helps maintain healthy blood vessels and a healthy heart. Did you know? Eating less saturated fat and salt and more fruit and vegetables reduces cholesterol and keeps blood vessels clear and flexible. This lowers the risk of heart disease. What does smoking do to the circulatory system? It has no effect on circulation. It strengthens blood vessel walls. It damages blood vessels and increases the risk of heart disease. The correct answer is, it damages blood vessels and increases the risk of heart disease. Here's an interesting fact. Chemicals in cigarette smoke cause blood vessels to narrow and become less elastic. This increases blood pressure and greatly raises the risk of heart attack and stroke. Why do athletes often have a lower resting heart rate than non-athletes? Their hearts are smaller. Their hearts are weaker. Regular training makes the heart stronger, so it pumps more blood with each beat. The correct answer is, regular training makes the heart stronger, so it pumps more blood with each beat. Did you know? A stronger heart can pump the same amount of blood in fewer beats. Some elite athletes have resting heart rates as low as 40 beats per minute compared to the average of 60 to 100. What is the double circulatory system? Blood passes through the heart only once per circuit. Blood travels through two hearts. Blood flows through two separate loops, one to the lungs and one to the body. The correct answer is, blood flows through two separate loops, one to the lungs and one to the body. Surprising trivia, in the double circulatory system, the right side of the heart handles the pulmonary loop to the lungs while the left side handles the systemic loop to the rest of the body. What is the vena cava? The large artery carrying blood from the heart to the body. The main blood vessel in the lungs. The large vein returning deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. The correct answer is, the large vein returning deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart. Here's a nugget of wisdom. The vena cava is actually two veins, the superior vena cava from the upper body and the inferior vena cava from the lower body. They both deliver blood to the right atrium. How does the circulatory system work together with the respiratory system? They work completely independently. The respiratory system pumps blood. The lungs add oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the blood that the heart pumps. The correct answer is, the lungs add oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the blood that the heart pumps. Fun fact, the circulatory and respiratory systems are closely linked. The heart pumps blood to the lungs where gas exchange occurs, then sends freshly oxygenated blood back to the heart to be pumped to the body. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next one.